How you doing, fam? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer, if you're new. Today we're actually going to our sponsor, Custom Tuning. Big shout out to them. Put their IG and Facebook down there. Today we're actually gonna go pick some parts from them. We're gonna be installing them maybe in the next couple days, maybe tomorrow, yeah. So stay tuned for that. So while we're going over there right now, fam, just a quick question. What do you guys love about this quarantine? Honestly, in my opinion, I just love the freeways. It's empty, you know, the LA freeways, back to XSE freeways, everything is empty right now. I mean, I love it. There's no traffic, you know, even the weekends, weekdays, mornings. I guess that's one of the things that I love. Also spending time with the family. As you all know, I'm having my baby, so I do love spending time doing things, getting ahead in things, you know. And that's mostly, you know, family time. Hopefully all of you guys are actually spending time with your family, not just drinking and trying to go out to the beaches and anything like most people are. And also, you know, wearing the mask, you know, I won't lie. Although some people can't breathe with them, but I love it, you know. It's like a mini costume every day you go out, you know. And things that I hate, I guess, even though I do like spending time with the family, going back to work, you know, you miss the hustle every day, you know. I don't know if you all feeling the same, but comment down below, see what you guys love, what you guys hate, you know. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright fam, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Space for the trunk. Can you guys guess what it is? Alright fam, today we're going to be talking about the diffuser. I'm going to try putting it on. Now the diffuser here, I'm going to open it up right now. There you have it fam. It is beautiful. Nice and glossy black. Nice contrast for those who have the white Camry, the gray one, you know, silver. Black on black, I think it still look good. Alright, so this one's pretty much, installation is gonna be pretty simple. Now, from what I know, it has to fit on the stock hole so you have there from the bumper. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, I think this one has 4, I believe. 5? Yeah, it has 4, so it's pretty much gonna leave the middle out. It's gonna be a perfect fitment. We're gonna test it out first. Then I have to go around here. Just have to go in the middle. Or under there, sorry. Fitment right here, fitment right here. I'm doing this in one hand. And yeah, there you go. Alright, looks like a perfect fit. Let's get down to business then. Here we go. You see down here, it is gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So pretty much this one's left out. That's okay. The rest fit. So huge shout out to Custom Tuning. As you see, it already has a 3-inch tape right here. Nice. Oh, nice. Just for more security, that's pretty much it. It does fit perfect, so let's do it. The first thing we're gonna be doing is taking this part out. So quick tip, there are gonna be dirt coming out. Take this one right here, flat screwdriver. There you go. Please try not breaking it. You can reuse it. Looks perfect. There we go. There you go, fam. Right here. Perfect. And 4. Okay, so I was mistaken. So these 4 actually are from the base over here. This one, that doesn't have nothing to do with this. I also have one more here. So no, it does cover the 4 holes that you are gonna be needing. So alright, let's try to fit me right fast. So we gotta take the 3-inch tape now. Actually, let's clean the car first, because the dust might mess everything up. and then mostly the top part where it's gonna go with the 3M. The side one's over here. Oop. And the other one over here. The bottom for sure has to go a little, it's gonna go tape too, so we are gonna have to clean that bottom part too. It's gonna be this part over here. It's a little bit clean because the 3M is gonna go there. Now that it's all clean, take the 3M tape out. Really pain in the ass, to be honest. You do need a second hand, so I recommend you have a second hand before you do this. It looks nice, fitment's perfect. Big shout out to Custom Tuning. Awesome diffuser. So there you have it, fam. That's the diffuser installation. It's a pain in the ass doing it on the sun and doing it by yourself. I recommend you guys doing it with someone else. It does help, because I was using like every part of my body to actually get it on. It's not that hard, but the second hand will come in handy. So one can be outside from the back and you can be under, you know. But other than that, it was really fun. Big shout out to Custom Tuning for the diffuser. Really solid material, because for what I did, any other material would have cracked, trust me. Been there, done that, but this was a really solid material. Nice glossy finish. So big shout out to Custom Tuning. Thank you guys for the diffuser, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, fam. It really does help. We're having the next part installed maybe in a couple days. So stay tuned for that, guys. Stay safe, stay inside your house. Thank you guys for watching.